Want to know the secret to acing your exams without losing your mind? If you're tired of feeling like a zombie by midterms, stick around. I'm about to drop some life-changing productivity hacks that don't involve crying into your highlighters. Meet Steve. Steve is a nice guy, but his study habits are a disaster. He spends hours studying, but most of that time is spent scrolling Instagram, rewatching the same lecture for the 10th time, and convincing himself that just one more episode won't hurt. One day, he failed a midterm. That's when he decided to try something crazy. Instead of studying harder, he started studying smarter. And guess what? It worked. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Steve did to transform his study routine from a dumpster fire into a well-oiled machine. Let's dive in. Here's the brutal truth no one tells you. Studying harder doesn't always mean studying better. In fact, most students waste hours on ineffective study methods that don't actually help them learn. Steve learned that the key to productivity isn't about spending more time studying, it's about studying strategically. And no, that doesn't mean buying a fancy planner or color-coding your notes until your hand falls off. It's about making small, intentional changes that actually work. Here's how Steve fixed his study routine in 3 simple steps. 1. The Pomodoro Power Move. Stop trying to study for hours on end. Instead, break your study sessions into 25-minute chunks with 5-minute breaks in between. It's called the Pomodoro Technique, and it's a game changer. Steve went from zoning out after 10 minutes to staying focused for hours. 2. The Active Recall Hack. Stop passively rereading your notes. Instead, test yourself on the material. Use flashcards, practice questions, or teach the concepts to an imaginary friend. Active recall forces your brain to actually learn the information, not just memorize it. 3. The Environment Upgrade. Your study environment matters more than you think. Steve ditched his messy desk and started studying in a clean, distraction-free zone. No Netflix, no phone, no snacks, okay, maybe one snack. So, are you ready to stop pulling all-nighters and start acing your exams? Try Steve's 3-step method for a week and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed and want more life-changing tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make your study routine something you actually look forward to. See you in the next video.